Imagine this. Your brain is changing right now while you're reading or listening. Every new idea you take in, every challenge you face, every time you practice something, your brain is physically changing. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. It means your brain is not stuck or fixed. It's alive, growing, adapting, and getting stronger every day. I'm a brain researcher, and I study this amazing organ inside your head, the one that makes you you. For a long time, people believe that after childhood, the brain stops changing. Imagine these signals like little messages being passed back and forth. Some people learn languages quickly. Others might pick up sports more easily. Each stroke affects the brain differently. Now, doctors are learning that treatments need to be personalized, designed for each individual's brain. This personalized approach helps people recover better and live fuller lives. There's no one-size-fits-all way to learn. Your brain is unique, and that means your path to learning will be unique too. Addiction or chronic pain are examples of when the brain changes in harmful ways. That's why it is so important to focus on healthy habits that support your brain's growth. Your behavior, the things you choose to do every day, is the biggest driver of brain change. Maybe music feels natural, but math takes effort. Or learning a new sport excites you, while learning a language feels slow. With effort, you water these seeds, and over time you bloom into the best version of yourself. Begin today and watch how your brain grows stronger, smarter, and more amazing every day. That's perfectly fine. Understanding your brain's uniqueness will help you become a better learner, and even a better teacher for others. Reading, playing music, exercising, learning a new skill, all of these shape your brain in powerful ways. This helps you remember things for a short time, like when you meet someone new and remember their name just for a little while. But modern science tells us that's just not true. Your brain keeps changing throughout your entire life. The connections between brain cells grow stronger and multiply, building new pathways like roads that help information travel faster. The more you challenge yourself, the more your brain changes. Learning isn't just for kids or students. It's for life. Every day gives you a new chance to change your brain for the better. It might be hard and sometimes frustrating, but that hard work builds a stronger, smarter brain. This is why practice over time is so important. It helps your brain build these strong, lasting connections. So no matter your age, you have the power to learn, grow, and become smarter. How does your brain change? There are three main ways. First, your brain cells, called neurons, send chemical signals to each other. But to hold on to memories longer, or to really learn something well, like playing a song on the piano or mastering a sport, your brain makes physical changes. It could be reading a new book, trying a new recipe, or learning a new word. Keep practicing and don't give up when it gets tough. Your brain is your most powerful tool. It's alive and waiting to grow. The third way your brain changes is by how it works. The activity and teamwork between different parts of your brain shifts as you learn. For example, London taxi drivers who memorize thousands of city streets develop larger brain areas that help them with maps and navigation. Their brains adapt to what they use most. Learning is not always easy. Sometimes you try hard and still feel stuck. Maybe you practice something for days and don't see progress. That's okay. The struggle itself is part of how your brain grows. When you push through challenges and keep going, your brain builds even stronger connections. That effort is the key to learning. But here's something very important. Everyone's brain is different. This idea matters a lot in medicine, especially for people recovering from brain injuries like strokes. So, what can you do right now to grow your brain? The answer is simple: practice. It's not just about doing easy things. Keep in mind, neuroplasticity can work both ways. It helps you learn and grow, but it can also support bad habits. Because every brain is different, you need to find what works best for you. No matter how old you are, your brain is ready to learn and grow. So here's a challenge for you. Start today by doing something new that stretches your mind. Think of your brain like a garden. Every action you take plants seeds. You have the power to build the brain you want. So why wait?